Happy Saturday. It's a beach day. We got the ZZ. We're in our little tent at Mission Bay. This is like our go-to little spot. And we're here with the family. Let's see. I think Johnny's right there. They're playing baseball. They're playing baseball over there. We got her wheelchair, our little beach bag with everything, and my little Jackie bag with all of my essentials. And yeah, we're just gonna spend the whole day here. Breakfast is served. They're playing baseball right now. Let's see Noah. Wow, Levy! Oh, strike one! I don't know if I was vlogging anything, but look how pretty it is out here. There's like nobody here except us. They're playing baseball right now. So Johnny is trying to have me practice letting her go and just doing her own thing. But it scares me. The moment I see another dog, I'm gonna have to run and tackle Zoe, and I'm not even wearing a sports bra. Zizi, ven aquí. Come here. Zoe, ven. Good girl. Good girl. It's Johnny's turn to bat.
If Johnny missed one more, we switch. Yeah.
It's so cute.
If Johnny misses one more, we switch.
Go Chulo!
Well, we got two out. We got two out already. Oh yeah, we got one out. So we have to get two out.
So it's one ball, one strike right now.
What the angel? Okay, I took off my little jaqueta. I'm gonna tan my white pasty arms, okay? This is the summer. I tan my arms. Also, I hate the way I look in sunglasses. Like, don't I just look so nerdy? Take bites. Good job. Good job. Good girl. Okay, luckily I have a little emergency kit. Well, sort of. It's for Zoe, but I need to use it right now because I got a cut on my knee. Zoe's wheelchair hit me really hard and I didn't realize, but it actually made me bleed. Oh, hi Zoe. Hi babe. Okay, I'm just going to wipe it real quick. Ow, that burns. Ah, that burns. Ow. Ow, it burns.
Oh, look, ya empezaron.
No, pero es fútbol. Yo quiero béisbol.
Necesitamos a todos para jugar. O si no, el soccer. Ahí están los goles. Look, go. You gotta learn how to play football americano también. Yeah.
The meals have to get Zoe eating grass like always. Her favorite thing to do. Lunchtime, we got turkey sandwiches. So as you can see right next to us, they're actually setting up for a wedding. We get front row seats to a wedding that's about to happen. The wedding is about to start and I just moved my chair so I can have a better view. I have my hair. Say no, Zosie. No, Zosie. No, Zosie. Look, there's a wedding behind us. Woohoo! I can't see myself, but I wanted to try on Tegan's glasses for like if I go running. What do these look like, guys? What do you think? Dinner time at the beach. We got carne and some guacamole. We got Noelle here. Say hi, Noelle. Say hi to the vloggy vlog.
40 years old.
Good. Oh my gosh. It's so late. We just got home and I'm about to go shower right now. Oh. Oh my gosh. Do you see how burnt I am? I was just trying to tan my farmer's tan. Oh my gosh. This is so bad. Wish me luck with this. What did I just do to myself? I'm such an idiot. I've never been this sunburned before. Like, I've gotten sunburns, but this, I've never seen it like this before. This looks like something from a cartoon.
Baby, and now